Alright, what's Gucci, y'all? It's your boy 360 Sosa. Sosa done did that, and today I have an unboxing for you guys today. I don't remember what package I got, but I'm gonna make it a surprise for myself too, and we're gonna see what I got in the mail today. So without further ado, let's get into it. Today I got my Kershaw Speed Safe 2200, so that's what I'm gonna use to open this package, and let's get into it. Alright. Shit, they already got in. I was expecting these on the 12th, but they already came in today. So these are gonna be my new slides, my new Jordan slides that I ordered. I'm super fucking stoked right now. Yes, dude. Thank you, Foot Locker, for the note. Let's hope they didn't take my shit. Alright, so these are my new Jordan 5 Hydro slides that I just got in. Super stoked. I was expecting them on Thursday. It's Tuesday right now, so got them in a little bit early. I'm excited. I'm wearing Jordan slides right now, but they're busted as hell. My brother gave them to me probably 8 years ago now, I think, so they've been used pretty frequently, and they've been across 2 states now and a bunch of different cities. So I used to wear the shit out of these slides, and I still do now, but it's been past time for me to get some new slides. I've been prolonging it just because the sentiment of my brother giving them to me, and he lives in another state right now, but I needed to get some new ones. These ones are just torn apart. I didn't realize how bad they actually were anyways until I sat down and actually inspected them. But they smell terrible, they're busted as hell, they have no traction on them anymore, so it was just time for me to get some new slides. And of course I had to get some ones with style, didn't want no basic ones, so Jordan 5 Hydro slides. So let's unbox these bitches. I'm stoked. And then afterwards, of course, I'm going to show you the slides that I've been working with right now. You guys are going to be appalled at what I've been wearing, so let's get into this. To start off, I got size 11. So we shall see how that turns out. They have a pull tab for your shoes, just like you would on the regular shoe box, but then it doesn't pull forward. Makes no sense. I'm actually gonna flip this camera around really quick so you guys can get a better view. All right, so now that I got that set up for you guys, this is the box. Black, fire red, and silver. Size 11, UK 10. Jordan Hydro 5 Retro. Alright, so looks like there is a pull right here. It has a tab right here, but if you try and use that tab, you're not going to get anywhere, so. Alright, here we go. 23. Yes, dude. Fuck yes. Super stoked on these slides right now. Fuck yeah, dude. The Jordan 5 Hydro Retro. Oh, that's gonna be really nice. Upper contains synthetic leather. Gay.
You are gay.
Yeah, these are the slides. I got them because I figured that they would go with practically everything. I didn't realize that they have the same sole as the pair that I'm wearing now. I don't remember what number the pair I have on is, because these are Jordan 5 slides, as you can see. I don't remember which ones I have on are. They could be 2s or 3s or 4s maybe, but I couldn't find them again. So I got these, and I think that they're gonna go well with practically everything. But there is the Jumpman. The stitching's really nice on it. And then here's the side. The soles, everything is meticulous and very nice quality. So I'm very stoked on this pair right now. Here how they look. Just one last time. They came with some wrapping. They came with a box. I think there's something inside too. Just comes with the shoe hook. Yeah, those are the Jordan 5 Hydro Slides. I'm very stoked on these. They were $60, so they're not super expensive, but they're really good quality and they last quite a long time because this pair that I'm wearing right now is about 8 years old. I will show you what pair they are right now. All right, this is gonna be crazy.
Oh my God, bro. Damn. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on.
Orden. But this is what I went from, and now this is the pair that I get. So I'm gonna try these on really quick for you guys and then show you them with some Jordan socks that I have, and then that'll be the end of the video for you guys today. Let's get into it. So these were the slides before that I was wearing. And now let's try on these new ones. Man, these are crazy. The gel is super nice for your feet, and these fit great. It kind of reminds me of the Adidas ones, but they're not tough on your feet. These are super soft for your feet. And these fit really good. The last pair that I was just showing you, they have a different fit to them, even though they're the same size. So I'm really liking these. I think that they're gonna be really good sides, and they work out with almost everything that I wear. So super stoked on that. I'm gonna give some more shots at a better place, so that way you guys can see these better, and we will go from there. Pretty much Jordan everything except for my boxers and then wife beater, which are Hanes, and then my hat, which is of course Mitchell & Ness. It's pretty much all I wear. Jordan, Nike, Hanes, Mitchell & Ness, Levi's, Wrangler. So yeah, this is one of the fits. I'm probably gonna do 2 or 3 other ones just so you guys can see how they look with some other colors. So yeah. All right, so here is a nice clean outfit. I got a Fred Perry shirt on. It's a nice heather gray, kind of matches with metallic, and then also because the bill of the Chicago hat has gray as well. So nice cargo shorts on, because you have a completely different feel than the basketball shorts, so you can really see how versatile the sides can be. So, you know, the fit matches everything, but it's not overbearing. It's nice and comfortable. You can change the socks around too. They have different colors if you want to. But then you can also be casual if you want to. I just want to rock a wife beater with cargo shorts because it's hot out. It's been 105 the past 3 days here, so. But then of course that matches with the socks, and then everything else, it's nice and simple. But then if you want some swag, but you're not overbearing and nice and chill swag, you know, then you just put on your polo shirt. So then you got a nice navy colored polo. Goes with the cargo shorts, and then it works well with the slides. So then you got, you know, you still got some nice stuff on. You got some American Eagle cargo shorts, and you got a polo shirt with some Jordan socks and slides on. So you still got some nice clothes on, but it's not super loud like the other ones would be. Nice cool colors, so you know, good for spring or summer, but as you can see, the slides, they work well with every single fit that you put on, so they're really good. They only cost $60, but other than that, my other pair that I got, they weren't Hydro 5s, but the other Jordan pair that I have, they lasted me 8 years before probably should have got them a new pair a little sooner, but you know, they last a long time. They're really good quality, and like I said, I couldn't be happier with them. They're relatively low price, they're really good quality, they're very versatile, and you can't ask for anything more for some good clothes, you know. And of course, it's Jordan brand, which, you know, I absolutely love Jordan. I have Jordan poster, my wallpaper is Jordan, I wear bullshit every day, so bullshit. But yeah, so that's gonna be the video right now. Some good fits, you guys can get a couple of ideas, or you know, or show how versatile the slide can be with different ideas. So that's gonna do it for today's video on the Jordan Metallic Hydro 5 slides. I really enjoyed them so far. The build quality is immaculate. They're perfect. Nothing's wrong with them. The technology for the Hydro slide is really nice. It's very comfortable to walk in, and it's very springy, so it helps your feet a lot and your legs when you're walking, and it's very comfortable. The only downside is if you're standing after a few hours and not sitting, then the bubbles on the Hydro sole will then start to hurt, but that's only if you're standing without sitting down completely. Kind of similar to the Adidas slides, I can't remember what they're called, but those ones are harder plastic, and this is more like a pencil grip material, so I would take these for sure. And like I said, they're great build quality. There's nothing wrong with them at all. And everything, the stitching is immaculate, the quality of the materials are immaculate, the painting is nice, the soles are nice, so everything is great on them. And they come in at only $60, so it's a low entry and a low price point to get these for very high quality Jordan items. So I think that's a nice selling point to these, because you can pay only $60 for a really high quality Jordan item that also lasts for a few years while also being very comfortable. So it checks pretty much all the boxes that you would want, and I'm very happy with them. They're also very versatile because the color that I chose, the Metallic 5 colorway, they work with pretty much every fit that at least I have. So I showed a few examples just so you guys can get some ideas. There's more that you can do with them. Like I said, you can wear jeans and stuff like that, or joggers or whatever. So that's what's good about them too. They work with everything. They're comfortable and casual, but with nice materials, so they don't look kind of bummy or, you know, too casual. They're really nice quality, so I'm really enjoying them so far. I've had them for a few days, and I couldn't be more excited. I'd recommend them to practically everybody. So yeah, that's gonna be the video for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing and review for the Jordan Metallic 5 Hydro slides. Like I said, I'm very much so enjoying them so far, and I believe that's gonna happen for a few years. So if you guys liked the video today, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. It's your boy 360 Sosa, SosaDoneDidThat, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.